So do you also regularly conduct events and do you also receive inquiries regarding the same on WhatsApp? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video we are going to understand how to automate event registration and reminders via WhatsApp. So like you, I also regularly conduct events, and this is such a time consuming and a tedious task to reply to those same inquiries on WhatsApp over and over again. So to solve this problem, I've simply created a Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot, and now whenever my user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply will be sent towards my user. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot can collect the event registrations and send reminders before the event. So if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, and if you also want to see the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So let's begin and create a WhatsApp chatbot to collect the event registrations and send reminders to the registrants. Alright, so I'm just going to simply open my WhatsApp, and first I'm just going to show you the proper working of this WhatsApp chatbot. So let's say I'm just going to simply send them a keyword which is submit, and once I'm just going to simply send them a keyword, the WhatsApp chatbot is going to get started and automatically it is going to reply me. And as you can see, within second the WhatsApp chatbot has get started and it has replied me. It is saying welcome to Digital Marketing Summit 2025, and as you can see over is the session list. So let's select the session I want to register for. So I want to register for the social media ads, so I'm just going to select the same session right over here, and once I'm just going to select it, it is saying before we confirm your spot, please tell me your full name. Alright, I'm just going to simply enter my full name, which is test user, and I'm just going to simply send them my full name. And after sending this, it is asking me for the email address. Alright, so I'm just going to simply enter the email address right over here, and I'm just going to simply send them the email address too. And as you can see that I'm just going to simply send them this. And now it is saying thank you, you are successfully registered for Digital Marketing Summit. And I'm just going to simply click on this confirm registration, and with this my registration is confirmed. But this WhatsApp chatbot is not only collecting the event registrations but also sending the reminders. So as you can see that I've created this WhatsApp chatbot and I've added a delay in this WhatsApp chatbot, and this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run on 10th of September once again. So as you can see that my event is on 15th of September, and yes, over here I've simply set it up a delay on 10th of September, that after 10th of September a message which is a reminder message will be sent towards my registrant. So as you can see, a message something like this will be sent towards my registrant. So yes, and then further if they want more information, they can click on this I need more info, and automatically the more information will also be sent towards them. So yes, this is the whole WhatsApp chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot who's going to reply to all your registrants within second, then this video is definitely for you, and you have to watch this video till the end to learn how to do this. Alright, so to do this I'm just going to simply open a new tab, and I'm just going to search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow simply by typing pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. So I'm just going to simply search for the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow and open it. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow is the tool using which we're going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot. But before we move on further and create this WhatsApp chatbot, I'm just going to show you something really helpful. This is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. Pabbly community is a space where users share their ideas, workflows, doubts and solutions. So if you're stuck at any step, the community is a great resource for guidance because we have experts in this community. We have experts who can solve your doubts, queries and much more. So if you also want to join this amazing community, the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to go back towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and right now our Independence Day sale is going on. So if you wish to purchase Pabbly Chatflow, today you're going to get the best price. Alright, now without wasting any more time, let's move on further and create a WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we're just going to simply get two options right over here. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can simply click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of credits free to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But over here, I'm an existing user, so I'm just going to simply click on this button which says sign in. And once I'm just going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over we're going to see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate marketing, sales and customer support over WhatsApp. So I'm just going to simply click on this access now right over here to access my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. And in order to create a WhatsApp chatbot, we first have to add a WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. So to add the WhatsApp number, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number button and you're going to get two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So using any one of these methods, you can add your WhatsApp number. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. You don't have to worry, a video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. Let's move on further and create this WhatsApp chatbot. So for that, I'm just going to go towards this left end of the site of Pabbly Chatflow. And over here, you're going to see all the features of Pabbly Chatflow. But today, this video is only going to focus on how to create a WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm just going to simply go towards this flow section of Pabbly Chatflow. If you wish to learn about any of this feature in detail, a video tutorial dedicated towards each of this feature has been attached in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, I'm just going to move on further and click on this add flow button right over here. And now I'm just going to simply name my flow. I'm just going to simply name my flow as WhatsApp chatbot for event registrations. And now you can see a window something like this will appear in front of us. Alright, now I'm just going to move on further and select the trigger event right over here, which is keyword/regex match. So over here, the flow is going to trigger when a user is matching the any specific keyword or the regex pattern. So I'm just going to simply select this keyword/regex pattern. You can select any another two right over here, which is trigger event. You can select user starts the conversation, template selected, and much more. Alright, I'm just going to simply enter the keywords right over here because I want to start this flow with the help of keywords. So I'm just going to simply add the keywords, and to add the keywords, we simply have to type the keywords like this and then press enter. It is really important to press enter, otherwise the keyword will not be added. So I'm just going to simply add three keywords right over here: submit, event registration, and then sign up for the event. So as you can see that I've successfully added my keywords, and now I'm just going to move on further. Now what I want is that whenever any of my keyword is being coming right over here as the message from the user, I want to send them a message something like this. So for that, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply go back towards Pabbly Chatflow, drag and drop the connection, and now for the content type, I'm just going to simply select text plus button. And now I'm just going to simply enter the message right over here which I want to send. And in this message, you're going to see that I have bold some text. And how are we going to bold this text? For that, you simply have to add stars in the starting and in the end of the text which you want to bold like this. So I'm just going to simply bold these two lines right over here by simply adding the stars in the starting of the sentence and in the end of the sentence which I want to bold. And yes, you can go towards this preview and see the text, or you can see the message too. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered this message, and now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply add three buttons in this message. Each button will be for each event right over here. As you can see, SEO growth and hacks, social media ads, and content blueprint. So one by one, I'm just going to add all of these three right over here. And as you can see that I've successfully added all of these three buttons. And now after adding all of these three buttons, what I want is I want to ask them for their full name. Alright, so to do this, I'm just going to simply move on further. I'm just going to go towards this actions right from here, and as you can see the note of ask question. So I'm just going to simply drag and drop this ask question. And now what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply connect this with all the buttons, like whenever any user selects any one of this session, I'm just going to first ask them for their full name. And after entering this, I'm just going to simply select the contact custom field. But before we select it, you must be wondering what is this contact custom field and how you can create one. So what you have to do is you have to go towards this left end of the site towards this settings and then contact custom fields. So you can go over here towards this contact custom fields and create your own contact custom fields. And if you wish to learn in detail about contact custom fields, so we have a video towards it in the description box below. You can check it out. Now I'm just going to simply select the contact custom field because I have already created it. So I'm just going to simply select the contact custom field as full name, and now I'm just going to simply select the format as text because the full name is always in text format. Now for the number of attempt, I'm just going to simply keep it as one only right over here. But now it is asking me for the validation message. So you must be wondering what is this validation message. So over here you have to enter a validation error message. So let's say that you have selected the format as text, but your user is replying in some another format, be it number or email. So what you can do is you can simply send a validation message that please reply in text format only, or this is an error, please try again. And if you enter the validation message, you have to increase the number of attempts towards 2 or more. I'm just going to ignore this validation message because this is not required, and keep the attempt as one only and move on further. Now after asking them for their full name, I'm just going to simply ask them for their email address. Alright, I'm just going to simply drag and drop this ask question, connect it with this full name, and ask them for their email address. Once again, I'm just going to select the contact custom field and the format as email. Now after asking them for the email address, I'm just going to simply confirm their registration. And how I'm just going to confirm their registration? For that, I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and now I'm just going to enter the message to confirm their registration. And in this, I'm just going to simply add the button of this confirm registration too. So I'm just going to simply add this button of this confirm registration right over here. And after this confirm registration, I want to add a delay in this flow. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply drag this actions, and as you can see this delay. So I'm just going to simply drag and drop this delay, and I'm just going to connect it with this confirm registration. And now for the delay type, I'm just going to simply select delay until right over here. Now it is saying select date and time. So I'm just going to simply delay this flow right over here till 5 of September, or you can say 10th of September, because I want to send a reminder 5 days prior to the event. Alright, I'm just going to delay till 10th of September, and now I'm just going to select the time as 10 a.m. in the morning. Alright, so I'm just going to simply select the time, date, and yes, you can see that now this workflow has been delayed till 10th of September. So my event is on 15th of September, so that's the reason I've delayed it till 10th. If you wish, you can definitely delay it till 1 day advance, 2 days, depends upon you. Alright, now after adding this delay, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to simply move on further, and I'm just going to simply send them the reminder message. Alright, so to send them the reminder message, I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message right over here. And in this message, I'm just going to add 2 buttons. One is for yes, confirm, and the another one will be for need more information. So I'm just going to simply add both of these buttons right over here and move on further. Now for need more information, I'm just going to add one more message. I'm just going to simply drag and drop the connection, select the content type as text plus button, and enter the message for need more information. And with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot, and now I'm just going to simply save it. And once I'm just going to click on this save, it is saying flow updated successfully. And with this, we have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot. And let's move on further and try again this chatbot in real time. I'm just going to go back towards my WhatsApp, clear the previous conversation, and start fresh. And now once again, I'm just going to simply send them the keyword right over here, which is submit. So I'm just going to simply send them the keyword, and once I'm just going to send them the keyword, automatically the WhatsApp chatbot is going to get started. So yes, you can see the chatbot has started, and it has replied me within seconds and in real time. So let's say I'm just going to simply select the session. Once again, it is asking me for the full name. Let's say I'm just going to simply enter the full name right over here. Then I'm just going to move on further, and it is going to ask me for the email address. So I'm just going to simply enter the email address to right over here. And after entering these details, I'm just going to simply click on this enter, and as you can see, I'm just going to click on this confirm registration. So with this, we have successfully tested this WhatsApp chatbot in real time too, and it is running perfectly fine. And now what is going to happen is I'm just going to open this inbox section of Pabbly Chatflow for you. And in this inbox section, you can see that over here, this WhatsApp chatbot is replying to this user. Not only this, I'm just going to go towards this contact custom field, and as you can see, the same email and the full name which we entered. So yes, you can see the details will be added right over here in this contact custom fields too. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed this WhatsApp chatbot, and now go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your specific business needs. So now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.